If you're experiencing billing issues on Steam, follow these steps to help resolve them effectively. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review your purchase history. Log into your Steam account and check your purchase history. Look for any pending transactions or errors that may indicate where the problem lies. This can help you identify if there was a failed transaction. Step 3. Contact Steam support. If you cannot resolve the issue on your own, visit the Steam support website. Select the relevant billing issue and follow the prompts to submit a support ticket. Provide as much detail as possible to expedite the process. Step 4. Monitor your email. After submitting your support ticket, keep an eye on your email for any responses from Steam support. They may require additional information or provide instructions on how to resolve your billing issue. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up on your support ticket. You can also check the Steam community forums for similar issues and potential solutions from other users. By following these steps, you should be able to address and resolve any billing problems on Steam. If issues persist, continue to communicate with Steam support for further assistance.